Roblox natural disaster survival, and look at my players.
I mean, you don't even have to call it natural disaster survival. It's just the classic Roblox game.
Okay, and I seriously look at my players. Even though I have played this game a lot, and my first character was just a robot with red hair and a Roblox T. No, I mean, sir. Let's die.
You could get disqualified from the
But not now. It says not started. A round is already started. Bruh. But can you stop interrupting me? Can you stop interrupting me? Let's see which map is going to be there. Let's see.
Okay.
Can you see the ground over there?
That was a hard one. Only 3 people survived.
Okay. Black. Wait. What's your name? Black chocolate? It's dark chocolate. And
You are
I love chocolate. Let me eat you. Nom nom nom.
Okay.
Nom nom. Okay. Stop now. No more funny. Let's play. Wait. Wait. Hey Robo. Hey Robo dude. Hey Robo dude. If Ryzen, he's also a free guy. Just like me. Hey, why is dark chocolate following me? Which disaster is it? I'm just sitting here.
But I think you should get to high ground because there are a lot of tsunamis in this school. I mean, you should build a tsunami interior. School?
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. I am going in.
Okay, this game's controls are good, I think. My controllers are trash.
How?
Yeah.
Oh, geometry test.
Yeah, the controls are in the dustbin.
Okay. And check my bro's channel, T-Reader. Okay. And why don't you? But bro, you never do my things like you. You don't say that. Please subscribe to my bro's channel, Edge Player. Why don't you say something like that?
I mean, I'm not much of a shout outer yet.
Okay. Why can't I see my... Oh man, girls' washroom is destroyed completely.
Guess we'll have to use the boys.
Eee! Even if I am a boy, but yes, it's also destroyed.
Okay, but we don't even have to go to the washroom yet.
Yeah, look at us. Ha, look at me. I will do and will succeed.
Okay.
If I don't, I don't care. I'll pull out whatever you will.
But wait. Do you know what?
What?
In real life, if you wear black clothes,
Yo! I've got a badge. Yeah.
but I have to tell you something very important.
What?
That if you wear black clothes,
In real life, what will happen? Hey, you!
thunder will like you and it will hit you.
Wait! You seriously purchase a balloon? I seriously have 0 Robux.
Okay, please,
Please, somebody.
subscribe to the
Subscribe to my channel and please give me one-time payout Robux.
And also, please, if I give me 1k subscribers, I give H player 1k subscribers, so he can get a star code.
Yeah.
If when you get it, please use the star code. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but we are thinking about big stuff and we are just the tiniest YouTuber. Oh no!
It's a flood.
Okay.
I know.
In real life you can survive the flood, but in this game you just instant die.
No, it's not instant death.
Yeah, but
First you lose health,
Yeah.
then die.
then you die. Okay. We have to do this stuff.
Okay, let's climb it again.
Oh, I know something that advice would come in handy. Flash flood destroys things.
Okay,
That was a piece of thing that could come in handy.
yeah.
I mean, now, whoa, oof! I said, I asked you to do that. That's why I said, oh no, oh, it just instant kills. Look.
Oh man! I survived.
Oh, you were almost dead.
Yeah, like
The creator of Stickmaster, look!
Give us a badge for low health.
yeah, I have low health
Okay.
and I won. Yeah. Wait, what's your name?
With 0.5 HP.
What? What is your name? Ghosty435. Okay.
You are just some default.
No, I'm not a. Oh, look, Coastal Quickstop has moved.
This is a secret in Coastal Quickstop, but you get hit by one piece of disaster. You're a disaster then. Okay. There are a lot of acid rains here.
So let's get in that.
Yeah, it is also good for the flash flood. And I thought the tsunami was destructive, but the tsunami didn't destroy buildings. And I thought the flash flood wasn't destructive, but it just
MFW
destroyed
headshot.
my. Oh no! I was just talking about tsunamis, and tsunami came.
And it's a water area, so let's get up.
Okay, I'm gonna stop interrupting because it looks like it's my channel.
Oh, light bulb. Yeah. Hey, you. You can go in seriously? Seriously? It's like we are in honey. Okay, I don't wanna be in that honey again. Even though if I like sweet things like
Where's
chocolate.
the tsunami?
Chocolate is my favorite thing to
Oh
eat.
no! Oh no!
Ah!
Maybe I was wrong. I underestimate the power of the tsunami.
Yo. If it's a volcano, just climb on it.
Yeah, you can climb on volcanoes, but you can even jump from the lobby to the volcano, and you can go through the volcano,
Oopsie.
and you died 2 times by a tsunami.
Yeah, that tsunami is funny. Wait, what? It's a skelly boy.
Okay, skelly boys are pretty expensive. One skeleton is worth 2,000 Robux.
But I seriously have no Robux. See, if I want to buy this, look, look, I have 0 Robux. Look, over here. Wish.
Only one guy survived.
Yeah,
I was embarrassed that we died, but no.
almost everybody died. Hey, yo! This guy also, this is a demon guy, skelly boy. He has a skeleton hand and he has a demon tail.
I really want those
And what?
demon tails.
And no, I seriously want that Dragon Lord wings.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy looks seriously like a skelly boy.
Such a small head.
Yeah.
Like my friend T64.
How do my
Yeah, in his introduction video, he said I am T64 and I have a small head. And he looked exactly like that guy who was a skeleton with a small head.
I also have Knights of the Red Cliff Paladin, which that guy had, and I seriously made a skin out of
Wait.
Zunkbot and
Oh no.
Roblox.
Oh no. Yes, I knew it. You would mess up.
Yeah, friend. Can we end this video? It's already 10 minutes.
Yeah, we should.
But not now. After another round, we will.
Okay.
Because I am a bit of embarrassed that I am losing pretty much in every round. Hey! Wait a minute. Emma, use my emote. Look how much free emotes you have. I like tilt. Why doesn't tilt get on? Yeah, look at it.
Okay. Okay, this video is gonna be so annoying. We have to salute the players. I was about to say the same thing, either.
Yeah. Hey, you!
Subscribe or else.
Yeah, subscribe or else this block my spider and furry. My spider will on my shoulder will climb under your bed and protect you if you do it. Sorry, I stole the idea from that meme guy and that guy and Roblox meme guy too. Who does Bood? Well, I seriously like Bood too.
Okay, we have to get if this video.
MFW head hod is first. Let's do a bit of parkour.
This is just blinding me. We have to dodge the spikes.
Yeah, like in geometry. Dash.
Okay.
Doing. Prism panic. Yeah. Now I won't wear these clothes anymore. Bye clothes. I'm going in with my clothes out. Seriously, everybody over here is. Okay, let's escape the prison.
Yes, we have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. I
This
opened
thing
it.
is harder than jailbreak. Let's
Open
everybody. We have to rob a bank. Just stop chilling in your prison.
Okay, this guy seriously has no armor.
Okay.
No, I mean no clothes. Cause he's a skelly boy.
Alright. Oh no. Go to the downest slope.
Okay. Black, I am with you, Black Choco. Even though if you are not black.
I mean, when we
Bro, please, you are almost talking in the whole vid.
leave.
Let me say hi. Wait. Yahoo! Even though if that's not hi. This is hi. Hi!
Wait, but we have to do something.
What is this? Seriously, what are these?
Okay. So now we have to say goodbye because the video is too long now.
Not now, but first when we will win this round.
Okay.
I'm just sitting over here. Spy. Oh, sorry. I was just about to say something else than English. Sorry.
Hiya. Squat.
Yeah, it's like I am doing squats on the wall.
Are you sure that everybody will watch till the end?
Please don't report this video because it's so.
No, people just make 1 hour video and they get reported for good content. Now, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Let's just do my. Okay.